NSO, under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, has released the second edition of Time Use Survey. This survey covered more than 1 lakh households of both rural and urban areas. On the occasion of International Women's Day, let us look at the data in this survey. The survey finds that women spend 289 minutes in domestic services for household members, that's 4 to 5 hours a day. Compared to this, only 88 minutes are spent by their male counterparts. In 2019, this number was 299 minutes for women and just 97 minutes for men. The second most important finding is about the time spent on caregiving services. Caregiving services means the assistance provided to people who are unable to manage their daily lives or physical well-being. It includes personal care, household tasks, medical aid, and even emotional support. The data in the Time Use Survey states that while women spent significantly more time, which is 140 minutes in a day, male participants spent 74 minutes. Moreover, there is a clear difference in percentage of participation in such services. 41% of women in age bracket of 15 to 59 participated in caregiving for household members, while only 21.4% men participated in such activities. The third finding in the survey is about the share of unpaid domestic services. This number remained high at 305 minutes for women in 2024. It is only 10 minutes less from 315 minutes spent in those activities during 2019. Meanwhile, the survey also showed the data regarding participation in paid employment. In 2024, 75% of men participated in employment and related activities, while the share of such paid employment is just 25% for women. So friends, since the numbers speak louder than words, let's take a moment and read this data again. The data in survey reiterates what has long been an open secret. Despite incremental changes, the load of caregiving and maintenance on Indian women across all levels is tremendously heavy. And furthermore, women spend unfairly more time in unpaid industry at home compared to men. This gendered division of labor has a cascading effect on women's long-term economic mobility and workplace equality. The extensive household responsibilities inhibit women to pursue paid work. It also limits their ability to acquire additional qualifications. What happens next is, women are more likely to work in low-paid or informal jobs, often with fewer benefits and minimal job security. To step out of this structural inequality, we need to reimagine the foundation of household dynamics. Far too often, even the basic chores done by men around the house are appreciated and lauded. Dismantling this very stereotype from our minds is the first step ahead. What are your thoughts about this? Do tell us what are the economic and social repercussions of this disparity for India, and also share what should be the way forward. Thank you.